Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable the touchpad on HP Compaq 250. Some laptops have a special key on their keyboard that will enable you to enable or disable the touchpad, but this laptop doesn't have it, so you need to do it in settings. First I'm gonna show you how to disable the touchpad, then I'm gonna show you how to get to settings and disable the touchpad using your keyboard because your touchpad is disabled. So first we can use the touchpad to go to settings, then in settings go to Bluetooth and devices, scroll down and find touchpad, and now you can disable it. And now I cannot move the mouse anymore with the touchpad, so I'm gonna click on Alt and F4 on my keyboard to close the window, and now I'm gonna show you how to open it. So let's click on the Tab button on my keyboard to move between elements of the UI. You can see now I'm pointing on the icons of the desktop, and I click on Tab. Now I'm on something, and now I'm on Start. Then click once again to go to Search, but you can also open the Start. It doesn't matter which one you will open. And then click on Space to open that and search for Settings. Now click on Enter to open that, and now to move between sections you'll use Tab, and to move between items you'll use arrows. So first you will need to move to that section. So to point on the home we need to click on the Tab button, as you can see. To go back, click on Shift Tab, and now I'm pointing on the home, so I can use arrows to go down to Bluetooth and devices, then click on Space to open that. Then click on Tab until you're pointing on this section right here, so we're gonna point on the devices. Now you can use the arrows to go down to Touchpad, then click on Space to open that. And now with Tab, make sure that you're pointing on the on-off switch on your touchpad. So I'm gonna click on Shift Tab and go back, and now I'm pointing on it, so I can click on Space to enable it back again. And now you can see I'm using the touchpad and it works. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.